Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So let me just show you all what I'm dealing with. This will give you hopefully a little bit of an idea. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like. Let me show you what one of them came out like. Let me show you what I did to one of the extractor tools. Yeah, this has been a nightmare. I had previously already loosened all these bolts and then retorqued them because I needed to drive the Mercedes that week. And everything was going good. And I was at least getting these out. And then two of the heads broke off, as you can see. This one I was able to use an extractor tool, not this one obviously. But I bought a whole nother kit to extract it. But this one, my very last one, decided to actually break in there. So now I have the pleasure of using a brand new drill set and destroying it, trying to get it out. So I got a DeWalt kit here. Fingers crossed that this gets this bolt out, because it's not going to be fun. And I'm not going to record it either, because this video would get demonetized for all the cursing that's about to happen. All I can say is spray the hell out of all your bolts before you try to remove them. Even if you just remove them the previous week, spray the hell out of them, because on a Mercedes, if these bolts break, you're going to be spending a long time trying to get them out. And like in my case, if it breaks, it holds the wheel on. So either I drill it out at this point, because there's nothing left there for me. The way it broke the second time with the extractor, and actually took the last part of the bolt that I could actually grab onto with an extractor. So for this last one, I have two options. Either I drill it out, or I actually cut the rim off of the car. Got to get new rims at that point, new tires. Well, not new tires. I could probably reuse these. Actually, probably not. These are pretty shot. It needs new tires too. And I want new rims in the future, but not yet. So kind of in a unfortunately not good predicament, but we're gonna get it done, YouTube. And procrastinating still. I just don't feel like doing this. But stay tuned, because like I said, I'm not gonna record this process. The next clip should be, probably see sweat dripping down. Anyway, let me stop procrastinating. Diesel Dan Peters signing off until I show you the final result. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I figured I'd make that last update that I never got to make. I did get the wheel off, but look how much I had to drill out. Yep. Wasn't fun. It was not fun, but if I had to pay someone to do this, it would have been even worse. So thankfully I didn't have to do that. But the amount of drilling, it was 2 hours straight for me to drill it. So next, we have the tie rods, and my goal is to get at least this side out. I guess go from there. I'm not going to record this because I don't think anyone needs to see how to remove tie rods and drag links and stuff like that. Plus, it's really not a fun job. I don't think anyone wants to do it. So, yeah, let's start working on this. Maybe I'll record it actually. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Stay tuned, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. First update. Got the first tie rod completely out. Now I'm going to try to get the drag link bolt out from this side and then go over to the other side. But man, does this metal sting, because it's getting cold. And when it hits your skin, ooh, be prepared. Oh boy, YouTube. What a project this has been. So, both the tie rods were definitely shot. The drag link wasn't as bad. Don't get me wrong, it is pretty loose now because I mangled it. Absolutely mangled it. But this is something pretty big to note. Look at that. This shock absorber wasn't doing anything anymore. It literally just moves like it's nothing. Again, we had the two bolts that broke, but now Putting all brand new bolts on. Not even gonna look at the rear yet. Alright, YouTube, let's try this again. My camera died. I hope that the rest of what I recorded is still saved, but so we're gonna be putting the brand new wheel lug nuts on, or lug bolts, I apologize. But what I'm gonna do this time is we're gonna coat this very edge over here with grease. And hopefully that'll alleviate it from getting stuck on the rim, because we do not want that to happen again. So I'm gonna get this on, and oh, I got brand new side markers finally. As you can tell, tabs are broken on this one, and we'll get her done, YouTube. We're gonna get her done. Stay tuned though. Alright, YouTube. Sorry, I need a little water. Last but not least, we have our brand new side markers. They came with the rubber as well, which is really nice. I figured since this was the last step, I'll just record the whole thing, and then we'll be able to go for our test drive. Now these are not LEDs yet, but I do plan on eventually converting all the lights in this car over to LEDs. Nice. One. These are pretty easy to swap out. After it's in, I always just make sure everything's tight. And we'll move to this one. Now this one is one of the original ones, and it was actually still good, but I did like the look of the straight up clear lights, so I figured we just go right back to them. Get my hand. There we go. It's definitely a little tight. Alright. Simple as that. A few wires. Bada bing, bada boom. And all we gotta do is tighten it. Always make sure the plug is on there well, and that you're aligning this. Although if you're watching these videos, you've probably already done this, so I don't think I have to tell anyone that. Is it in? I think it's actually in. Is that it? She's stuck. I don't think it's in correctly. I mean, it's in. Is that correct? YouTube. I don't think this one is incorrect. Okay. Let's move that little screw down a little bit to give it a little more room. screw. It's all part of the fun, too. Something like that, I guess. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Don't worry about that right now. Nice. Let's see. There we go. Now she's in. Yeah, which was not aligned before. There we go. Hear that click? Actually, I don't remember hearing that click on this side. Let's double check this side. Oh, see? Look at that. There we go. Nope. Can I feel something that I'm missing? No, she's in there. Yeah, I'm not messing with those anymore. It's been enough of a project. I don't know why, YouTube, but I always think that these things are going to be 1, 2, 3 simple, but as every project never is. Alright. Now look at that front end. That is presentable. So the big thing that I replaced, besides the side markers, of course, is this outer piece, and I got the windshield wipe. Well, one of them. One of the headlight wipers working. For now, at least. Alright. Start her up, and I want to feel how the steering wheel feels. If I can find the key now. I'm going to take it for a little maiden voyage. Might as well feel what all that work has led to. I guess that is if I can find the key though. Oh, easy. Where is the key? Alright, stand by YouTube. Oh, I found it.